If you want to use our FxEen Expert Trading Platform with our Forex Robot, you need $3,000 account balance in your account. So basically, after logged into your account in FxEen Expert Trading Platform, first you need to click Auto Trading On. Then you need to go to the Tools, Options, Expert Advisor, Allow Detail Input, and then you need to go to Navigator. So basically, when you go to Navigator, you can see these things. There you can see the currency trading EA and gold trading EA. If you click in currency trading EA, there you can see 4, and in gold trading EA, there you can see 1 EA. So then you need to take the currency pair. So first I take EURUSD, then you need to take AUDUSD, then GBPUSD, then USDJPY. So basically there you need to remember one thing: you need to set up these things in H1 time frame. And if in EURUSD chart, you must need to set EURUSD Forex Robot, and AUDUSD currency pair chart, you must need to set AUDUSD Forex Robot. So if you have $3,000 in your account, you need to set, like in EURUSD, there you can see, you can go to import, there you will get more settings, but this is the important things. There, if you have $3,000 account balance, there you need to write 0.01, and there you need to write 3,000. Okay, so then if you click OK, it will start work. Okay, then if you click F7, these things will come back again. So there this is the thing is there, you no need to change any settings. If you have $5,000 in your account, then if you want to trade safely, then you need to set 0.03, and there you can write $5,000 in $5,000. If your account balance is 5,000, then you can use it in 0.03. So if you have $3,000 and you use 0.01 lot size, this is the safe way to use our Forex Robot. Okay, but if you want to take little bit risks and you want to make more profit, then this is also safe for your account. Say for example, in AUDUSD, I have $3,000 account balance, then you can use 0.03 for trading. Basically, this EA don't change the lot size. So if you want to make more profit, then better for $3,000 you can use 0.03 lot size. If your account balance is 4,000, then you can use 0.04 lot size, or if you have 5,000, you can use 0.05 lot size. Okay, so don't use more lot size than your balance. So if you have $10,000 in your account balance, then you can use 0.10 lot size. This is also safe. Okay, so if you use these things for every chart, you need to set, say for example, I have $10,000 in my account, there you need to write $10,000, and there you need to write 0.10. Okay, and for every chart you need to set these things. For USDJPY also you need to write $10,000, and you need to set 0.10. Okay, so if you have $3,000, say for example I have $3,000, then better you use 0.01, or if you want to make more profit, then you can use 0.03. This is also safe. Okay, so this is the way to use our Forex Robot in FxEen Expert Trading Platform.